problem?
So the problem is that the Bail Act, which is the piece of legislation that allows us to remand people in custody until their trial, doesn't have a section that applies to immigration or deportation. And so I was in court many times and I'd get an email from the immigration department saying, actually, can you remand this person in custody because he's meant to be deported? And my senior head would be like, it's not our job to do the immigration's job. And you can ask the magistrate or the judge and you go, well, under what arm of the Bail Act can I detain them? And sometimes there is no arm to detain them under. And there are custody time limits, especially if it's for a summary offence, you can't detain them for that long. So I think the Bail Act has to be reviewed and there has to be a coordinated approach to it from immigration and crime. And I was actually quite surprised by this because David Lammy said he was meant for deportation. Hang on, why aren't they all meant for deportation? If you can deport him, why aren't they deporting everyone who's here illegally? I don't quite understand. So basically, we have a system. You come in here illegally, they've decriminalised illegal entry. Only 1% of illegal entrants are prosecuted. And then we have to wait for them to commit a serious crime before the government is willing to deport them. I mean, that's a massive betrayal of their duty. And not only that, it puts women and girls at risk. And I think so it's obvious that it lacks the political will to deport them.